Welcome back to Just Thinking. We're going to look at a math problem here where we have to use the order of operations. For those of you that are familiar, that is Pemdas, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So that's parentheses first, exponents, then multiplication, then division, then addition, and subtraction from left to right. Okay, so first thing we want to look at is the parentheses here. We have division going on and we have multiplication going on. So I'm just going to move from left to right. Let's leave the 4 alone for now. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then you have 6 times 3. That's 18. And then you have your exponent there. And that is -2 to the second power. Now, a lot of people might get mixed up here because anytime you multiply negative times a negative, you get a positive. But this negative is on the outside, right? So it's 2 squared and then keep the negative. Okay. So now we do multiplication. 4 times 5, which is 20. And then we can go 18 minus 4, which is 14. And then now we're going to get 34 as your answer. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully this helps. I know a lot of us, we haven't done math in a long time. Or you may be taking a math course at the moment. So if you need me to do any type of concept or math problem, I'll do it. Just put it in the comments. Thank you for joining. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. God bless.